Dear viewers, this video is about classification of bacteria. Bacteria is divided into two parts, gram positive and gram negative. Gram positive and gram negative bacteria are two major categories of bacteria that are distinguished based on their cell wall structure and their reaction to the gram stain, a method of staining bacterial cells to make them visible under a microscope. Here is the detail. Gram positive bacteria. Cell wall structure. Gram positive bacteria have a thick peptidoglycan layer in their cell walls. This layer is much thicker than in gram negative material. Gram stain reaction. When subjected to gram staining, these bacteria retain the crystal violet stain, appearing purple under a microscope. Teichoic acids. They contain teichoic acids within their cell wall, which contribute to the overall rigidity of the cell wall and can play a role in pathogenesis, that is, disease causing ability. Outer membrane. They do not have an outer membrane, which is significant difference from gram negative bacteria. Examples. Common examples are Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumonia, and Bacillus anthracis. Now come to gram negative bacteria. Number 1, cell wall structure. Gram negative bacteria have a thinner peptidoglycan layer. They also have an additional outer membrane that is absent in gram positive material. Number 2, gram stain reaction. These bacteria do not retain the crystal violet stain during the gram staining process and instead take up the counter stain, usually safranin, appearing pink or red under microscope. Number 3, outer membrane. The outer membrane contains lipopolysaccharides which can act as endotoxin and contribute to the bacterium's ability to cause disease. Number 4, periplasmic space. The space between the inner cytoplasmic membrane and the outer membrane, known as the periplasmic space, is more prominent in gram negative bacteria and contains various enzymes and proteins important for nutrient acquisition and defense. Common examples are Escherichia coli, Salmonella enterica, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Now come to the significance in medicine. Antibiotic sensitivity. Number 1. Gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria often differ in their susceptibility to antibiotics. For example, gram-positive bacteria are generally more susceptible to antibiotics that target peptidoglycan synthesis like penicillin, whereas the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria can make them more resistant to certain drugs. Number 2. Pathogenicity. The differences in cell wall structure also influence how these bacteria interact with the host's immune system and their ability to cause disease. Understanding the distinction between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is crucial in microbiology, particularly in diagnosing infections and choosing appropriate treatment. This was all about bacteria. If you like this video, you are requested to subscribe my YouTube channel Javedan Pharmacy. Thank you very much.